Today's video is something that I'm super excited about filming. Today is showing you guys really. Today is my dorm slash apartment tour for my sophomore year. My one last year got so many views and I was really overwhelmed, and a lot of people who follow me now or subscribe to me are from that video and most of my college videos. So I decided to do another one because I really like my necklaces all sorts of whacked up. I really like these types of videos, and I was super excited about filming these when I came to college. But yeah, this is my one from this year. It's in a different apartment from dorm rooms from last year. The one from last year actually is not a dorm room anymore, which is whatever. I didn't really like that dorm room. But yeah, this one is super cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah. Hello, welcome. So when you walk into the room, this is what you see. It's just a long hallway that goes to windows, which are very bright. There's a bathroom right here, which is my roommate's bathroom. Walk a little closer, there is this coat rack with a ton of coats, and then there's things up there and then things at the bottom, and then over here is my bathroom. I share this with one other person. Yeah, it just looks like that. Nothing too special. There's a mirror, which, I mean, the sink thing right here, which is nice. And then a toilet and the shower, which that's really that. Walk in a little bit further, you just have my kitchen, which looks like this. It's super duper nice. Yeah, we have our trash can, which is right here, island, a nice stove, microwave, lots of cabinet space, which is super nice. Counter space is great, so if you do cook and not have a dining plan, then this is perfect for you. So yeah. I have a fridge, which is a full fridge, and then the sink, and then we have this cool little whiteboard, and it says Happy St. Patrick's Day right now. We don't have a dishwasher, so we have to hand wash our dishes, and that's where they go. But yeah, this is the counter space. It is so nice. There's so much of it. And then also here we have this cool Ashley Tisdale poster that I won. But yeah, this is what the living room looks like. The view is amazing. I'll show you a closer up of it. This side is two of my roommates. This is one room and that's another room. And this roommate actually moved out, and another roommate on the other side moved out. So there's only 3 of us out of the 5 that live here right now. But yeah. So yeah. Here I brought from home. If you saw my one from last year, this is my little black chair. It's actually ripped, so we used to have a skeleton on it, but now we have this lizard, and this is where they sit. Skeleton sat here. Yeah, nice TV that doesn't actually work, a couch, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little coffee table, and then there's 2 chairs. We just keep those chairs there. So yeah, this is the couch area. That is a tapestry with some lights, which there's no lighting in here except for the kitchen lighting, so we need that. And then that's my door actually, and then my other 2 roommates' doors over there. 2 people live there, and then one, and then the other 2 is just one others. Yeah. To this side, this is the TV side. We have a neon light that's a ghost that's been there since Halloween, and then we used to have a fish. But like I said, 2 of my roommates moved out, and that was their fish. We also have 2 Christmas trees. It's not Christmas anymore. We still have some, decorations. This is all of our movies and video games and stuff. So it's got all my Star Wars movies. But yeah, there's also a ton of stuffed animals down here, and then a phone, which doesn't actually work either, which is great. Down there is more storage. But yeah. Into this beautiful view. That is the view that you get. The higher up, the better the view is. So if you're planning on living in this building, then I would recommend a bigger, like a higher up room. Willis Tower, how cute. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, like I said, this is my door. I have a private room in a shared apartment. So I have my own room and then I share. I don't know if you can actually see me, but yeah, the door locks, which is super nice. So if you do have problems with roommates and stuff, then you can always lock your door. I don't really lock my door. I only lock it when I go places that I'll be gone for really long, what I'm saying. But yeah, this is a very, very small room. But yeah, let's just go into my room. All right, when you open up the door, this is what you see. Right here is a mirror and it's actually super dirty. Also, it's a different day because I'm wearing a different outfit, so sorry. But yeah, this is what the mirror looks like. It's awesome. And then over here, we have these 5 sauce posters that I had in my dorm room last year. This list, and then behind my door, I have my backpack hanging up, one of them. And then down below, I just have my purse and wallet. Over here I have some hanging things. I have a hanging hat and then a necklace, and then it was St. Patrick's Day recently, so I have the thing that I wore, and then this is an origami thing that I made in my math class and I hung it up. Have my Starry Night post like picture, and then I have a water parks poster that I got from my school. It was just laying around, so I took it. So yeah. Alright, so this is my desk. It's so crazy. There's just so much stuff on it, but there isn't much space to put things in this desk that I have. It's like ginormous, but yeah. So up above I have some string lights that like do a zigzag, and then I have my hat hanging up, and then my Polaroid, and then I have some more pictures. The 1975 vinyl, the first one on vinyl, and then their second one on an album. That thing right there I made in my math class. And then I have this pin board that has just a ton of things that I have done in pictures. So I have like from last year, and then like Lollapalooza, my like wristband, and then my 5 sauce wristband, and then I have like Polaroids and Supreme and some other fan projects that I have from last year. And then I have like my lanyard, a light box, and then some where I keep my glasses. I have all my schoolwork right here, and then I have books that I'm reading, which are really fun, and then I have some like markers and stuff in some mason jars. And then over there I have my crystal, and then something from Valentine's Day, and then my water bottle and laptop always sit on this desk. It looks like down below I just have this drawer, which I'm not even gonna open because it's just full of junk. And then I have some things behind this camera bag, which is where my camera would be. There's like special effects makeup, and then my nail polish, and then over here I have my chair, and also I have this rug. But this cube just has like boxes and things, and then I have a trash can. Alright, so right here I just keep all of my makeup and like jewelry and all my other like skincare and hair care products and like first aid kits right here. This was underneath my bed last year. But this year it fits perfectly right here. So yeah, and also I have my portfolio, which sits right there. If you guys want to see that video, it's linked down below. Alright, so this is the other side of my room. Like I said, it's severely small, but it really works for just one person. So this is my bed. It's a twin extra large bed. And yeah, it's white, and all of my bedding and stuff is from Target, and then the all-time low poster, which is up, flag, which is up here, is from their concert. But yeah, everything you see on my bed is either from Target or just like I've had. But yeah, it's a cool little bed. I made it kind of like a day bed.
because I have that long body pillow. But yeah, that's that. Right here is my closet, which it's open, which I don't really like because it makes my room feel a little bit more cluttered. But I have 2 drawers right here, and then I have this little long hanging, and then 2 right here, and then underneath this one is where my laundry, and then I have my fan. But yeah, it's just really small, but it fits, it's fine. This is what it looks like above. I just have boxes and stuff, and I also have string lights hanging from this as well to kind of illuminate it. This is right by my bed. This is where I keep all of my shoes, well, most of them. And I got this like wood shoe rack from, I believe, Home Goods, Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond. So yeah, I have all my shoes right here. They just hang out. And then down here I just have my charging thing, and it looks like a mess, but it's the best place it can go. And then I have above here, this is where I keep my tripod, and I was just using it, but now I'm just using my hand. I have this lamp, which is actually broken, which I'm really sad that it's broken, because I have this light bulb in there that changes colors, and this is a remote for it, but it's really cool at night. And then I also have this 5-sauce vinyl that I have stuck right here. It's cute. And yeah, this is my window, and it's very spacious. It goes all the way to the top, and it has a cool view of the Willis Tower. And yeah, the window's open, it's nice. What my room looks like from the other side. Lastly, I have this side of my room, which has the light switch, and then I have a hat hanging here, and it says Columbia on it, and then I have this little cube that has like school supplies and things in there with my blankets on top, and then my backpack, which sits right there. So yeah, that is everything. This is my dorm room. It's super spacious and fun, and I like having my own room finally. But yeah, that's just everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one.